Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I am going to start Amazon FBA online arbitrage case study. The main goals for this case study is to prove that FBA model with online arbitrage on Amazon still works, because I have been receiving many questions whether it is a viable model or not. I have a friend who I know personally who does just online arbitrage on Amazon, but he is using virtual assistants. He has lots of them, and he is making more than £2 million per year just on Amazon, and he is getting to the same figure in the US as well. So the first purpose is to prove that this model works. Second thing is to show how you can use Arbitrage Hero to build your online arbitrage business on Amazon. And also I'm going to use this as an opportunity to train a few people absolutely free to see whether we can build their business on Amazon as well. Some of you might know me, and when I started Arbitrage Hero, when I started building Arbitrage Hero, I actually stopped selling anything on Amazon, and here you can see a screenshot of my Amazon account in the middle of January. You can see that I haven't had any sales for a while, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to build Amazon FBA business from scratch. In this case study, I'm not going to build huge business here because my main focus is on Arbitrage Hero software, but I just want to show you that this model works, and I'm going to show you in this series all the steps which I'm going to take to build this business on Amazon and to start seeing sales on Amazon. So let's proceed. I will post next video in a few days, and I will show you how I will be sourcing products, and I will be sending my first products to Amazon. In this case study, I'm not going to put a lot of money into it, and I will just show you that just with a few hundred of pounds you can start your business on Amazon, and you can then gradually build it up to pretty significant levels. So I hope that this case study is going to be useful for you, and I will see you in the next video soon. Thank you.